Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Femita Rupnegari. You can call me Femita. In here, I will tell you about some things. But first of all, I want to ask you, do you like rain?
Yes!
Like it's good? And do you know the process of forming rain? You don't know? Okay, calm. Do you know that rain is a physical phenomenon? You don't know? Okay, it's calm. Okay, here I will explain the meaning of rain and the process of by which rain occurs. So let's go the watching. Okay, rain is the event of water falling from clouds onto the plains. Water from rain is source of water for life in air. For example, as natural water source for watering agricultural fields and farmers' plantation. Likewise, it is a water source for river, lakes, even artificial reservoir where fish live, springs for living creatures, dams, power plants, meets industrial water needs, and so on. Not only that, water from rain, which ultimately flows into the sea, also has a big role in life, such as source of food, marine biota, and others. Rain occurs through three stages, namely evaporation, condensation, and melting or precipitation. The following is an explanation of three stages in the process of rain. Okay, let's go.